Welcome to the Digital Rubberband Doorknob, Episode 6. It's late evening here at the worldwide headquarters of the Rubberband Doorknob. Generally, I'd be telling you stories of food and cooking from the world of the professional's kitchen. However, I'm taking a little pause from our typical episode. I want to share with you some exciting news. Like most industries in 2020, we had to pivot. I personally hate the word, but it's the business word of the year. So in the height of a pandemic and a downturn in the economy, of course, we started a second business called Skokie Provisions. See the newsletter for more details. Rosemary and I are now cooking and making handcrafted small batches of restaurant recipes and mise en place for you to cook right alongside with us. Since indoor restaurant dining is in constant turmoil, it's the latest we can do. Don't fret, I'll still be popping into the newsletter every month with video updates on what's going on over at Skokie Provisions. We are working on new videos to make your dinner table as flavorful as ours. So to celebrate another piece of really good news, I'm going to share a beer with you. My favorite beer is back in town. Smittytown ESB from Temperance. So cheers, until next time, until next month, stay safe, stay healthy, and to future and better times.
Done seen enough.